Latest project, a Peterbilt stake bed. It's a little different, painted Caterpillar yellow. It is the Peterbilt Wrecker. This is one of the first models I built as a kid. It's been re-released. They sent the molds overseas, looks like, and they've re-released it. That is the actual wheelbase there. I did not have to change that. I decided it comes with chrome rims. I decided to paint over the chrome, make it look tougher and more crude. Got including the bumper. Yeah, the wooden bed there, that is courtesy of Starbucks, the stir sticks at Starbucks. The running lights, oh, perfect in there, are what should be running lights. Is just I just get tape like this. It's only a few dollars. You got to import it, and I chop them up and put them on there. I had an extra axle from some other trucks, so this one actually is all-wheel drive. I don't know if you call it four-wheel drive. It's got more than 4 wheels, and an all-wheel drive. That's like seasonal. So there you go, the truck. I don't know if you call it kit bashing or not. Now, in case you're wondering what this is behind it, that right there is my next project. So hopefully you'll be seeing that before too long. So there you go.